Hi, this is Justin from Vibrations Tackle, and you are watching, I believe this is episode number 4. And today I'm going to talk about something that we did today, or I worked on. A project I worked on today was getting ready for the Chicago Musky Expo. And I want to make this kind of clear to those that may be new to our company. Yes, we are attending a Chicago Musky Expo, but for those of you that may be overlooking that particular fishing show because it's got musky tag to it, if you fish for northern pike, this is the show for you. We have got a ton of products there. Many manufacturers are coming together that offer, yes, products for targeting muskies, but many of them are crossovers into other species. And I'm going to share with you one of them that we're going to have at that musky show, or the Musky Expo. This is called the Funny Bone. Now, the Funny Bone, notice the colors in that, okay? We've got some blues, we've got some silvers, and we got some whites. The Funny Bone can be used, it can be vertically jigged as a jigging spoon. It can be still utilized as a blade bait. It can be trolled. You can use it as a deep water jerk bait, as Jordan Bradley from Wolfpack Adventures was recently doing on a fly-in trip to Canada. Or you could actually use it with an interchangeable spinner bait. See that? So this is a multi-purpose tool, and that's what I wanted to focus on today, was talking a little bit about the product lines that we are preparing to bring to that musky show. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you're getting this message and you're in the Chicago area and you're fishing for northern pike, or you like to go to Canada, or you take trips to go fish northern pike, come check out our product line at the Chicago Musky Expo starting the third weekend in January. And what we're going to have there, one of the things that our company does is we cater our product line to customize to whatever people want. We're going to have pre-order customized kits for going to Canada. If you're into backpacking, we're going to be putting together kits for those that like to go camping. We've got kits for those that like to go biking, just day-to-day travel and transit, as you've seen in some of my other videos as I show you, and I'll post a link to that below. There's a video that I did about how I fish in between work and home. There's just so many cool ways to fish this lure system, and we're going to shine light on that in Chicago coming up in 2019. And the main thing here with this system is that, notice I call it a system, is that it can be used in so many different ways. It's not just one fishing lure. It is now a kind of like a 5-in-1 type lure system, which makes it awesome for traveling with, because you can pack a lot in a small container. It doesn't take a lot of space. For example, like I just mentioned, Jordan Bradley went up to a flying resort to a trophy pike lake with his dad, and he said, you know, Justin, the really cool thing about your product line is that I am able to pack it inside the plane when he was limited to 100 pounds. That included his food, his clothing, and his tackle for the entire week, and then his dad could also bring 100 pounds. So this product line truly has an upper hand when it comes to the Canadian Shield. Now, lastly, when it does come to the musky anglers that are interested in our product line but not quite sure if this is something that they would use or not, I've got a solution for you. And that solution is, I know a lot of musky anglers like to go and fish clear water lakes for muskies in the Canadian Shield, okay? And that water is so clear, so anytime you have very clear, high blue skies, they can be very finicky, so your low light conditions are going to be the best time to actually optimize and actually convert fish to eating your lures. What do you do during the afternoon? Well, a lot of those clear water musky lakes and waters, they have lake trout in them. This is perfect. Drop this down, go out and catch some lake trout in the afternoon. And then when you come back from your vacation and you start fishing your suckers in the fall, you then have your blade bait or your jigging spoon to keep you company when you're fishing and soaking suckers out there. So that's it. That is my vlog number 4. I got to think about this. Yeah, vlog number 4. This is called I Believe. I believe in the ECHOTAIL, and our goal is to teach you as much information about our product line as we possibly can, keep you updated with the latest trends, bites, company updates as we possibly can on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to throw this out there. So I am beat right now. I'm having a hard time talking, and I don't even care. I think it's more important that our audience, our customers, understand what is going on within our company as opposed to me delivering perfection to you. So with that being said, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, share our channel. We are very happy to be with where we're at. We're going into 8 years. We're going to be hitting an 8-year benchmark here in 2019 in March. And, it took a long time to get this product line to where it's at, but with an awesome team, it's working. So thank you so much. A little long-winded today. Usually they're going to be a couple of minutes, but that's it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.